Good morning, my students. In this video, I'm going to explain exercises in your workbook, page 6 and page 7. So you have to go to page 6 and page 7 in your workbook. Okay, so easy, it's not difficult. Just listen to me. Page number 6, looking at language. First section, dictionary works. Exercise number 1, use a dictionary, look up these nouns and write their plurals. Now يا شباب, if you want to change a noun from singular into plural, you have to add s or es to noun. If a noun ends with x or ch or s or sh, you have to add es. Otherwise, you just add s. Okay, for example, video. To change this noun from singular into plural, videos, just add or put s. But box, it ends with x, so you have to add es, boxes. 3, donkey, donkeys. Okay, now 4, Roby, robes. If a noun ends with y, it was preceded by consonant, you have to change y to I. You have to change y to I. Okay, like Ruby, robes. Okay, شباب. Now number 5, bureau, bureaus. يعني to change bureau from singular into plural, you can add s or x as you like. Both are correct. Bus, buses. It ends with s. So bus, buses, as I told you. Okay, number 7, knife, knives. V. Change f to v. So if a noun ends with fe, you have to change f to v, then add s to noun, like wife, wives. Okay. Number 8, fungus. Fungus, you have to, if you want to change it from singular into plural, fungi. Okay. So you have to memorize, يا شباب. Number 9, ditch. It ends with ch, so you have to add es, ditch. Now number 10, plateau. You can add s or x. To change plateau from singular into plural, you have to memorize. Okay, يا شباب. Now exercise number 2. احكي لك which 2 words in exercise 1 makes their plural into 2 ways. Okay, في عنا plateau. Okay يا شباب, you can add s or x to change plateau from singular into plural. وفي عنا bureau. في عنا يا شباب ايش؟ bureau. هي this is bureau. Okay, you can add s or ex to change it from singular into a plural. Now يا شباب, exercise number 3 بيحكي لك write the singular of these plural nouns. في أنا حكيت لكم يا شباب an irregular plural noun. I told you about an irregular plural noun. Okay, irregular plural noun like يا شباب man, men. Okay, woman. Okay, mouse, mice. Okay يا شباب, tooth, teeth. Okay, so يا شباب, children is a plural, child is singular, so child is a singular of children, teeth, tooth. Okay شباب, you have to memorize, just there are 1 2 3 4 noun بدكم تحفظوهم. Okay يا شباب. طيب now يا شباب, section number 2 عندنا spelling بيحكي لك write the abstract nouns formed from these verbs. The nouns all end in shan or jan. Use a dictionary to help you. شباب, there is no rule for this, so you have to memorize. برضو هذول بدك تحفظهم حفظ. For example, to Walter, Waltration. Okay. Another example, to converse, conversation. To direct, direction. To admit, admission. Okay. To discuss, discussion. وهكذا يا شباب. Okay. To correct, correction. Okay. Now يا شباب, go to exercise number 2. بحكي لك complete the sentences with abstract nouns ending in jan or shan. okay, you have to memorize. Okay, for example, to solve a problem is to find a solution. Okay شباب, so solution means to solve a problem. ممكن أحكي لك what does solution mean, وتحكي لي to solve a problem. Presentation, to present something. Okay شباب, okay, you have to memorize. Okay, now يا شباب exercise number 3. Exercise number 3, page 6. Choose one word from exercise 1 and one word from exercise 2. Use them in sentences of your own. هنا يا شباب you have to يعني not memorize, you have to understand. okay, هنا يا شباب طبعا في أكثر من إجابة. بحكي لك إنك بدك تستخدم you have to choose a word from exercise number 1 and put it in a sentence, and choose a word from sentence number 2 from exercise number 2 and put it in a sentence. Okay, for example, which direction is that? North or south? Number 2, we need to find a solution to this problem. I think it's so easy, it's not difficult. Okay يا شباب, now go to page number 7. فينا language development. Exercise number 1. Write noun phrases for these descriptions of objects. Okay, meaning هذا يا أستاذ. Okay, for example, boots for wearing when you play football. Football boots, يعني لو حكيت لك what does football boots mean, بدك تحكي لي boots for wearing when you play football. Shopping bag, a bag to use when you do the shopping. Okay, soup bowl, a bowl for eating soup from. وهكذا يا شباب. Okay, bus stop, place for a bus to stop. Okay, it's so easy. Now يا شباب exercise number 2. بحكي لك write a short description for these objects. Use both nouns in your description. Okay, use both nouns in your description. Okay, يعني for example, writing paper for writing on. يعني زي كأنا بحكي لك what does writing paper mean. بدك تحكي لي paper for writing on. Computer monitor, a monitor for viewing information that is sorted in a computer. Space rocket for traveling in space. For helicopter pilot who flies a helicopter. 5. Bird cage for keeping a bird in. وهكذا يا شباب. Okay, so you have to memorize. Exercise number 3, it's so easy. بحكي لك read these newspaper headlines, then complete the sentences. For example, motorway accident inquiry. The story is about an inquiry into accident on a motorway. Number 2, oil tanker disaster. You can say the story is about full of oil, or the story is about caused by a tanker carrying. Okay, carrying. Number 3, victory fire rescue. The story is about rescue of someone. Okay يا شباب, the story is about rescue of someone. Now يا شباب exercise number 4. There is a photo. يعني look to it. You can see photo. You can see helicopter, man, mountain. Okay. Now يا شباب يحكي لك write the headline for this event. Use 3 nouns. Check it makes sense. Headline: helicopter climber rescue. The story is about the rescue of climber from cliff by a helicopter. Okay, thank you for listening to me. If you have any question, you can ask me يا شباب. It's so easy. Okay, and you have to study. Thank you.